Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a text box in Canva. So first things first, we have to go into our project in this kind of poster. Let's go with Canva tutorial. It's the name of this project, and let's say how we can add a text folder or text box. On the left side, we have our options with text, and we can add a text box. Just like that, you can do anything you really want to do with it. You can make it bigger, smaller. You can rotate it as you please. The Canva is giving you these little nice options where you see also the incline or decline. Then we can just push it wherever we want to. Canva will help you to put it on the center and inside of the boxes. And then once we have this going for us, we can go with hello YouTube, for example. Right now we can make it bigger. I mean the letters, and also we can change the font as well. So I'm happy with this one. We can also pick an effect of a neon or give it a background, and then you just pick a background as you please. But I'm pretty happy with what I have right now. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.